Hey, Dan Knuckles here, day 2 of my book bombing campaign, and today we're going to talk about facial expressions, and it's chapter 3 in my new book entitled Cartooning for the Glory of God, and you can pick up a copy at danspulpit.com. So yeah, I just want to get a little bit into facial expressions today. Assignment number 1 in the book is called the facial expression game, and how you play the game is you get a lot of family and friends together, and you all write out different, or have one person write out different facial expressions and put them in a hat and mix them up, and then someone can come up and pick one, and the person who picks that facial expression has to act it out, and the rest of the group guesses what that is, and the one who gets it right gets to draw the facial expression on the board. And it can get kind of tricky, but when you do that, you can discuss what changed in the face to make that facial expression, and it's really good practice. It's a really fun game. Also, assignment number 2 is called Mirror Mirror, and just spend some time in front of the mirror, not because you're vain or anything like that, but just practice making facial expressions, and it's really good practice, and just draw what you see. A lot of art is just observation. So yeah, I got a lot of illustrations in the book on different facial expressions. There's just plenty of examples in here. It's just chock full of illustrations. So let me just show you a few examples. So yeah, really encourage you to pick up a copy. They're available at Dan's Pulpit, and it's entitled Cartooning for the Glory of God, and it's a really great resource. So check out danspulpit.com. Thanks.